now let's explore another community with another skill set. And one of the skill set that we all hire all the time are the designers. So we are all looking for user interface developer, designers, UX designers all the time with different skill set like JavaScript, jQuery, CSS, Ruby, HTML. Oh, there are too many. But where to find them? Is it job portal? Is it go to LinkedIn? Where else? Is there any other talent community out there? Let me recommend you two communities. There are many other. You can explore many more. But there are two communities that I would recommend you on the top of any other community. The number one is Behance and another one is Dribble. So let's explore Behance in this session. Let's take a quick look at what Behance has got to offer us. So Behance is again a community for designers where the people go, they upload their the work that they do when they design new web pages or they design anything and any creative 2D, 3D design. And when you will go to Behance, you will get to find those real-time projects, live projects, and that gives us a lot of insight about the talent. Now the next question comes, how to find a talent on Behance? What kind of Boolean string, Boolean search that we need to write to get the talent out of it? And Behance gives us a lot of data. So let's go ahead and let's explore it, what we have in Kitty with us, right? So again, we'll go very simple, the way we have been doing it for other talent communities, like what we have learned so far, Quora, and we learned about Kaggle. If you look at Behance also, here we are talking about a simple method of X-ray search where we are writing site behance.net and then we are writing a Boolean string about the skill. So right now we are looking for visual designer in New York. So I'm writing visual and designer and New York, a simple one. You can write it a little differently also. And see, when you write it on a Google, these are the kind of results you get. Like in New York, I got around 44,400 results for this query. Okay. And here I got one profile, and this is how the Behance profile typically looks in. Like here there is a person called Sujin Park. I get to see a lot of detail about this individual along with their links to Facebook, Pinterest and LinkedIn, and also their personal website. And you'll be really surprised to see there are so many. Good to see that you are now investing your time in learning skills which matters. I'm sure you now know that these are future ready skills and they will gonna take your career to the next level. I'm sorry, I'm not here to interrupt your learning session, but I want to add more value. I'm here to help. I have created more than 30 such sessions as a part of an advanced workshop on social media recruitment, and I would really be happy that you come and join my community. And I've created this community with more than 2,500 recruiters. I have more than 1,000 members. So members are the one who have joined the full program where they can have an access to all the 35 sessions that I've created. You can also attend these sessions. The enrollment link is available in the description and the comment box. You can go there, you can avail a discount available on Udemy, and you can join this session. Apart from that, you can also join my WhatsApp groups. Again, the invite link is available in the comment section and in the description box. And once you become a part of that group or you join the Udemy program, you can become a member. I also do live workshops every fortnight for my members where they can attend such programs online and they can come back live with me and they can ask their questions if they have any query or if they are facing any challenge in their day-to-day life as a recruiter. So I welcome you again in my community and recommend you to attend the full program and join me in live workshop.